All right, here we are again. That's the drones crew flying solo today. We don't have a vet to bring out with us, but we've got a place out here. It's at Iowa State's Field Research Station. It's called Goose Anticline. So get up here. I'll show you a little more about how cool this place is. My first thoughts are, dang it, it's really windy. We'll see what it's like when we put the drone up. And it was a lot tougher to walk up this stuff than I thought it was gonna be. Hey guys, here again with the Vesta drone crew, flying solo this time.
Micah and Lexi Lou.
And we're here at Goose Anticline in New Grable, Wyoming. Goose Anticline is this great place for geology. There's a lot of stuff here. It was a place that I came from my original field camp. It's such a great place, in fact. There's another field camp out here right now. The University of Akron is here doing their field camp. But this is a good place. Students do missions, mapping missions out here. I see a lot of people with their pens and papers doing stuff, but there's a lot of mysteries still involved with this particular site. And what we're hoping to do is make a 3D model so that people a lot smarter than us may be able to ascertain a certain level of knowledge higher than they currently have. So hopefully this is a cool model. It's kind of windy, but it's not super windy, and you can see this is some aggressive terrain. The terrain follow feature is going to be working hard today.
Goose egg!
Alright, we're just about to take off. This particular model says it's supposed to take an hour and 17 minutes. I never know what to believe with these things. So all you can do is let it rip. Oh shoot, no, not.
Oh shoot.
And here's the flight up to Mike and I's perch for this mission. We had an excellent view of everything from this site, this spot, just where we did the mission from.
What?
Now this is how you do the compass dance. Flawlessly executed.
So I'm not sure if you can see this plane out here, but somebody is a lot lower than they are supposed to be, and he's just zooming around this valley right here. Trevor's already, the second time Trevor's had to bring the drone back. I had just started flying a little bit, and yeah, look at this. Wow. I still don't know if you can see that, but look at that. Look how close he is to the ground. It's ridiculous. He's just zooming around.
He's probably he's at like 200 feet. 200, god damn.
Maybe, like, ridiculous.
He's just gonna be clipping us right above those power lines over there.
Wow. All right.
Something to beware of.
Scary stuff.
Yeah, I didn't expect this today. That's definitely in our airspace.
Terrifying.
What's it say on the side? I then looked this plane up and found it was just a hobbyist out of New York. Well, I think we're gonna wait. Looks like he's banking this way again. Oh yeah.
Always expect the craziest thing to happen. Always. Good thing we waited, because he's kind of looping his way back over here. So patience is key, everyone. Wait till you can't see him anymore.
Real pilots suck!
We know he's probably just having fun, but it's a little pretty scary.
Now every single pack of bikers just sounds like an airplane flying at 250 feet AGL. We are on the lookout. So when we did finally get a chance to get up and fly, this is just kind of what this area looked like. See lots of geology here, tons of mappable features. This is actually kind of what I'm going to be using to do my master's project at Iowa State University. All right, we got to bring her in. We're out of batteries for today. 5 full sets of batteries. So 64% done with this play. All right, go back to
Mission is half complete. We weren't able to do the whole map with all of our batteries, so we're gonna see what she looks like. A little storm rolling in. No more planes, so that was exciting.
all in all, an excellent day in the field. A little chilly, a little hazy for getting good cinematography sort of stuff, but this is good for mapping. So. Cool, can't wait to see how it turns out.
Lexi's ready to go.
Here's another good look at the geology of this site. Goose anticline is famous for these parasitic folds you can kind of see here. If you're in the geologic know, you know what I'm talking about. Someone knows we're back at camp.
So when you get back from the field, your mission's not over. There's data to be organized, there's batteries to throw on the charger, all the folders you have to make. It's exhausting, but you know, we do what we love.
Gotta happen. Yeah, a lot of what data stuff consists of is watching little bars travel across your screen. So it's good to find a way to be productive while you do it. Or sometimes you need a rest, which is nice as well. Always give your VO a break. Sometimes while you're watching little green bars move across your screen, it's a good time to set up your charging station. Here we have everything. We burned through 5 batteries with the Mavic 3 Enterprise today. We did a little bit of flight with the Mavic 2 Pro, but not enough to even do a single battery, so we're letting that one sit.